How's it going, everybody? Jonathan Montoya here with Passive Income Lifestyles. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $100 a day with affiliate marketing. Guys, this video is going to be simple. It's going to go right to the point. I just want to show you 3 simple steps to be able to make $100 a day. I want to show you exactly what I have been doing, and I promise you it's going to work if you put in the work, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. So there's 3 steps to this process in making $100 a day with affiliate marketing, okay? And guys, people overcomplicate this stuff. I'm going to break it down and make it super simple, okay? Step 1 is, guys, you need to choose your affiliate products and be specific about it, okay? So, when you first start out, start with one product. Start with one product that you believe in, that you want to promote. And obviously, as you get better, then you can start promoting other products. For me, I promote a ton of different products, but I started with one, okay? So, for example, we're looking for, $100 a day, okay? So, first of all, is it easier to do $101 products, or $10 products, or one $100 product, okay? So for me, I'm gonna say the one $100 product all day. It's gonna be easier. It's always easier to get a higher ticket commission, and people are actually looking for these higher ticket products, okay? So guys, don't overcomplicate it. Just go to Google and type in best high ticket or high affiliate best high ticket affiliate programs, and you'll see a bunch of different things in here, guys, that will pay high ticket commissions. Okay, there's honestly, I like software. There's Clickfunnels, there's like hosting, like Bluehost, there's Wix, to create websites, Shopify. All these will typically be paying $50 to $100 depending on what it is. Okay, in this example, I'm just gonna do one of I'm going to be doing Bluehost, which is the hosting software that I use, okay? So they give you up to $65 per sign up. Sometimes they have $100 sign up bonuses. Right now, actually, they have a $100 sign up bonus. So in this case, I'm going to show you Bluehost, okay? And this is what I use to create my blog. This is what I use to create my websites. It's an awesome software, so I want to show you how I would promote this affiliate product, okay? So that is number 1. Remember, number 1 is just choose your affiliate product, okay, and know what you're doing, and be specific about it. Make sure you believe in the product, and that's it. Okay, that's step 1. Step number 2, okay. Step number 2 is find related keywords where you can create your content, okay. So that's very important. We're going to be creating content so people can go to our affiliate products, buy, and we get paid. Simple as that, okay? I'm just going to make it super simple, okay? The first way is the actual product keyword, okay? So if we go to Uber Suggest, okay, and this is basically, it's a free keyword research tool that allows you to see what keywords you can rank for, see what keywords that are not too difficult, stuff like that, okay? So it's basically ubersuggest.com. Let me just go from the beginning. So once you go to Uber Suggest, you can type in any keyword you want. In this case, I'm going to show you the product method, and then I'm going to show you a different method, okay, for keyword research, okay? This is super simple, guys. Literally just put Bluehost review, Bluehost. It'll give you a ton of ideas, okay? So once you click that, it's going to come up with a bunch of keyword ideas, a bunch of keyword, like up to like 300 keyword ideas that you can use, okay? So we're going to go here and go to keyword ideas. Now it's going to give you how many people are searching per month. So in this case, okay, so now we can see 2,900 people are searching per month, and then the keyword difficulty is 28, okay? So basically we want this number under 30. If you can get it even lower, like between 10 and 20, that's even better, guys, because that means it's easier for us to rank our content. And when I talk about content, we're going to be doing like blogging, YouTube, Pinterest, stuff like that, okay? So that's what we're going to be talking about, content. I'll go deeper into that as we move forward, guys. Before we move on, guys, please subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it. It helps me grow on YouTube. Like this video, comment if you have any questions. I would really appreciate it. Let's go ahead and continue. Okay, so product review, okay? So Bluehost review. So now we want to start copying these, okay? So let's see Bluehost review. Let's make a spreadsheet, okay? So guys, now I would make a spreadsheet between 50 keywords that we can use just specifically for this product, okay? So I made a spreadsheet here. So very, very simple. Just the keyword, Bluehost review, monthly searches. Let's see, searches. What was it? I think it was 2,900, and then keyword difficulty of 29. Okay, so 2,900. So that means 2,900 are searching per month. That's a lot. That's very good. And then let's go back here. 28 is the keyword difficulty. Okay, just so we know how hard it is to rank for. Okay, so there, and we're gonna just fill this up, guys. Just fill this up. That way you have ideas on what you want to do. Let's see what else here. Bluehost, review of Bluehost. There's another way you can do it. So it's a 2,900 and then 23. So let's go back to our content spreadsheet. I think it was review of Bluehost. Okay, that was also 2,900, but the difficulty was 23. So that's something that I would go for because it's the same amount of monthly searches, but it's easier to rank for. Now you could do both. Now you can do content based on this and on this. Okay, that just gives you more content. All right, so that's the first method when you're doing the content research, is actually the actual product. Okay, now what I like to do is I like to do the problem. Okay, so what is Bluehost? Bluehost is a software that allows you to create a website, to create a blog. So I like to do stuff based on problems. Okay, just because now people are actually searching how to do things, and then you can give them your affiliate link. And I'll show you how I do it, okay? And I'm going to show you an example of this exact software that I did, okay? So a problem is something that people are searching for. So in this case, they need to know how to create a blog, okay? So I'm going to teach them how to create a blog, with my YouTube video, with a blog. I'm going to teach someone how to create a blog, and then I'm going to link them back to Bluehost, and I'm going to show you how to do that, okay? So how to create a blog, 8,100. Volume and 29 search difficulty. So let's fill this up here. So 8,900 and then at 29, I believe it was. Okay, there's one keyword. Let's go back. Let's do a few more. So how to create a blog for free, how to create a blog in WordPress. There's a really good one right here. So 480 and then 21. So a little bit less on the volume, but the search difficulty is a little easier. So it's going to be easier to rank for. And when I say rank, that means people are able to find you in Google. You'll be ranked like number 1, number 5. First page of Google is what we're hoping for, right? So that's the goal of that. Okay, so let me add this in here. What was it? The number 480 and 23. I could probably actually use this, guys. I'll probably honestly use this for my next content. Okay. So yeah, you can go through here. There's a ton of things you can do. How to create a website, that's another one you can use. Just because you got to know what you're selling, right? You got to know what you're promoting. So in this case, Bluehost shows you it's a software that allows you to create a website. So here's another one here. How to make a website, how to create a website for, free of cost. How to create a website in WordPress. So that one's similar to the one we did earlier. Let's just do one more, and then we will go ahead and I'll show you the next step. Okay. So 880, 23. And every keyword, guys, is going to be different, okay? So you're going to get a different audience for every keyword, okay? So now we have a spreadsheet. Now I suggest doing at least 10 to 20, 50, guys, as much as you can. And now you have a ton of content you can create for that affiliate product. Remember, focus on that one product. Get really good, and then focus on another one, okay? Now let me show you something really cool, okay? So, I'm an affiliate for Bluehost myself. So I create a blog right here. So how to create a blog, create a website from scratch. Okay, so there's a few keywords that I'm trying to rank for. And if you go through here, it's my step-by-step guide on how to create a blog. Okay, so if you guys are interested, you can take a look at this, but let me show you. Okay, so I made a video and a blog. So my video is about 30 minutes. Okay, it's on YouTube, and it's basically showing you how to create a blog in 30 minutes. Okay. Now, here's the cool thing, okay? As you go through, it's a step-by-step guide, but look at this. Click here to search and register your domain, Bluehost, okay? Remember, that's the product we're selling. That's the focused product. $65 for each sign-up. And this, in my case, it's $100 because I've been an affiliate for them for a while, and then they're giving out a bonus, okay? So sometimes they give more, but, if you just sign up, it's $65. Starting out, but you only need 2 people a day, guys, to do this. And remember, you're getting, look at the content research. You're getting 2,900 monthly searches, 8,900 in this case. Like, it's going to be easy to get people to get traffic to your website. Okay. So that's how you do that. Let's see. Let's go back here. So in this case, I created a blog and a YouTube video. Okay, I know some people don't like creating YouTube videos, and that's fine. You can create a blog. In this case, I did two things. I did a blog and a YouTube video, and I actually did Pinterest in this one. So I'm getting people from all sources. Okay, now let's go back to our. Let's see. Let's go back here. Okay, so number 3 is just create content that gives a natural link to your affiliate products. Okay, so now if we go back, if I show you my example, it's just basically a link that goes back to Bluehost. Okay, so this is a link that goes back. This is a link that goes back. But remember, it's natural. It's not just some weird link. This is like they need this product to be able to create a website. So that's why I like doing problem keywords. Okay, remember, there's 2 different types. There's a product reviews, which is this one here. So they're actually searching the product, or there's problem reviews, which I have made a lot of money just doing problem reviews. You know, for example, if you're doing Clickfunnels, okay, so you can either do like a Clickfunnels review, that's fine, that'll work, or you can do how to create a sales funnel. Okay, that's a problem. People need to learn how to create a sales funnel. So then you create a video on how to create a sales funnel or a blog, and then you take them back to your ClickFunnels. Okay, it's super, super easy. One more example, guys. Email marketing. Okay, so you can do, for example, I do get response. Okay, so in my case, I would do, you can do a get response review, or how to create an email autoresponder sequence, something of that nature. Okay, so you can see the power. People are searching for certain problems. Okay, guys. Now, when you create content, you can do Facebook, you can do Instagram, but guys, I'm going to tell you right now, searchable content is the most powerful thing you can do, okay? Because people are searching for that product. If you're going through Facebook and you have an article on, how to create a website, you're not going to get a lot of people interested, okay? So that's why I recommend blogging, YouTube video, Pinterest. That is all searchable, okay? People are searching it, people want what you have, and people are going to be begging to buy your affiliate products because you're giving them the value, guys, okay? Like I said, right here is a product or a problem solver, how to create a website in 30 minutes, okay? I created this in, a couple hours, but, the pay, guys, I'm going to be getting paid for this for years and years to come, okay? Because people will always be searching on how to create a website, especially this day and age, okay? So that's another way. Let's see. Here's an example of a review, okay? So I did do a review in this case. Legendary marketer review. Here's another one, guys, here. Okay, how to build an email list. Okay, so here's my other example on my other affiliate product, which was Get Response. Okay, so I teach people how to create an email list, and let's see here. Let's see if I can find it. Boom, right there. Get Response free trial. Okay, I get paid when people click on this, but remember, I'm teaching them how to create an email list, and I created this content. I'm showing them how to do it, guys. This is how you create content. You find the problem. Well, first of all, you find the product. Remember, let's go back to our steps. You choose your affiliate product. Know what you're doing. Step 2 is find related keywords, either a problem or the actual product. And then step 3 is just create the content. That's it. 1, 2, 3. You can make $100 a day easily, guys. Easily with this, okay? Now, you got to put in the work, okay? You got to put in the work. You got to create the content. If you don't like creating content, guys, hire someone. Hire someone on Fiverr. Hire someone that will create a blog for you, and that's easy. Okay, you don't need to do any work. Obviously, if you have money in the beginning, you can hire someone. If you don't, then just hire someone or do it yourself. Okay. So, anyways, that's how you make $100 a day. I very easily make $100 a day, even more, but I do sell higher ticket products. But guys, this is a great way. Just finding products that you can find and sell is just creating content, guys. That's the key in affiliate marketing. I promise you that you're going to make money with it by creating consistent content. So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value to you. Please subscribe to this channel if you want to learn how to make to make money specifically with affiliate marketing. That is what we go over. That is, I teach people how to get traffic. I teach people, how to make money specifically with affiliate marketing. So anyways, guys, please subscribe. If you are wanting my #1 recommendations to how to make money online, click on the first link below. It's going to take you to my number one course on how to make money online. It's literally just like $7, guys. It'll teach you how to start an affiliate marketing from beginning to end. Okay, so if you have any questions, please reach out to me. Join my Facebook group. Link is also in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.